We'll guide you through how to copy and paste color in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and start your project by launching the application and creating or loading a scene where you want to work with colors. Select the object that already has the color you want to copy so you can access its material settings. Go to the Material Properties panel, identified by the red sphere icon on the right side, and make sure the object has a material applied. If it does not, click the New button to create a material so that color settings become available. Locate the base color field inside the shader settings, which controls the visible color of the object. Click on the color bar to open the color picker and inspect the current color being used. Take note of the color values, whether they are displayed as RGB or hex, so you understand the exact tone. Right-click on the base color field to open a context menu with additional options. Select Copy to Selected if multiple objects are already selected and you want to apply the same color instantly. Alternatively, press Ctrl and C while hovering over the color value to copy it directly. Now select the object you want to apply the color to and prepare to transfer the settings. Go to its Material Properties panel and ensure it also has a material assigned so the color can be pasted properly. Hover over the base color field again in this new object to target the correct parameter. Press Ctrl and V to paste the copied color into the field, updating the appearance immediately. Finally, switch to Rendered View to confirm the color has been applied correctly and matches the original object as expected. You can also repeat this process for multiple objects to maintain consistency across your scene and ensure a unified visual style. If the pasted color does not appear as expected, double-check that both objects are using similar shaders and that no texture maps are overriding the base color value. Adjust lighting in the scene if necessary, since lighting conditions can affect how colors appear in rendered view. Practicing this workflow will help you speed up your material editing process and keep your projects organized, especially when working with complex scenes that require consistent color usage in larger and more detailed projects.